I hear you, but your labs are good, so I don't want to change anything.
Nice
What?
glasses.
Thank you.
So how did that work out?
I've asked her twice. Like, I've told her twice these problems I'm having.
But this is a new one
This
for
is
you,
gonna
right?
be the new one, yeah, and I'm gonna tell her, look, not cool, man, not cool.
Tell her you better fix this. That's what I pay you the big bucks for.
Well, I told the other doctor this is my job. Brands want to work with me for fitness stuff, and
Yeah.
I'm gaining 15 pounds.
You look
That's
fine.
a good one.
Yeah, I look fine, but that's not the point.
That's good to tell her.
You don't feel fine?
She didn't care. Come on, old man. Oh man, what happened?
Bye, old lady.
Ow! Get your phone. All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye. Be safe.
How do you turn your passcode off?
Watch the sand on the right. And keep your bike up straight. Don't turn in the sand. Go to the left a little. Yeah, it's amazing how stabilized this video is. Even when you hit all the bumps like that, the video looks smooth. It's just, I put it on lower resolution today, but on the 4K, it just burns through the battery.
Yeah.
I was surprised.
That's what they say, they don't last that well.
Well, I think I had it on 4K and 120 hertz. So I put it on 1080 60. See how long it lasts. I mean, if I could get an hour, I'd be happy.
This shirt is a little bit smaller than the men's style, so I couldn't get the phone back in my pocket because it's higher now.
When were you doing that?
Back there, that's why I fell behind.
Yeah, you can pull it down too.
I know, I was like
Is that a medium shirt?
large, but women's are smaller.
Yeah.
See, my watch automatically turned on that I was doing a workout.
Yeah, that's cool. Where's my watch? Need it. I just want to see if it's any different than mine.
Yeah.
How old is it?
What do you have?
I think mine's the Gear 3.
I thought that's what I had.
I don't know. Yeah, but yours might have updated hardware.
Maybe. Oh no, mine's pretty old.
Yeah.
I thought I got it like right after yours.
Is it the same color as mine?
Black?
Yeah, black and silver.
I think mine's black and black. Alright, you go first.
Why?
I don't like crossing the streets. How long did it used to take me to get out here?
A day.
No.
Well, we had a big headwind.
That was a huge
If
headwind.
it was a tailwind, we'd have been going 5 miles an hour faster.
Yeah,
at
usually
least.
I get out here, I thought in like 25 minutes.
I can make it out here in 15.
I know you can. mean, how slow were we going?
Like 15 to 18.
That's pretty good in a headwind for me.
A little bit of 20.
I felt like I was going kind of fast.
If you draft me really good, you know we could go fast,
Yeah,
but I don't want you hitting my wheel.
I'm not gonna hit your wheel.
And if we ever follow other people,
I know, don't go close.
because,
They might not know how to do it.
well, they'll put on the brakes, they'll crash.
It's like a car, don't tailgate.
Yeah, but it hurts a lot worse. Usually a tailgate accident in a car, you don't really get hurt because you just like hit straight. On a bicycle, that shit's hard. They don't even move. Go get him, Tony!
I always feel like I twist my knee out. Where do you pick it up at?
Anywhere, yeah, right there. Yeah, that's good. Oh, yeah. Perfect.
Do it again, I'm smiling now. What's leaking on me?
Wait a minute, one more time. Do it again, one more time.
Why, where do I need to hold it?
One more time, same way. And above your head. That's it. Now, okay, that's it. This, that's good luck.
Yeah.
Rings and vibrates.
Yeah.
I don't know, where are we gonna eat?
I'm a low carb now.
I think you can have soup. Chicken soup. Is that what you want?
Mom's not gonna be there.
Yeah, so where are we gonna go eat? How much time do you have?
I gotta get my blood taken. And then Talon gets out at 3.
That's more important than eating?
You said I need to get it done.
Yeah, that's true.
They're gonna be like, you're fine. We just want you to stay fat.
I wonder if it's the same crime if you break in and steal it, or if you steal it during, hours that you're open. Because then it's breaking and entering. That's
Yeah.
another crime, which has probably been converted to a misdemeanor. And then because of COVID, you know, even if they do
Let
prosecute
you
you,
out if they're not that violent.
yeah.
Yeah.
And if they are violent,
We'll still let you
you just
out.
get a GoFundMe account.
I feel the tailwind's nice.
Yeah. Still not going that
Wow, look at that
fast.
Maserati. It looks like my car, but nicer. See it?
Yeah.
That was nice.
The gray one,
The white one.
kind of white and gray.
Yeah, that was pretty nice looking.
Kind of like,
Did you see
like
the-
this paint color.
Yeah. Did you see the first solar panel truck? It's an energy efficient car with solar panels.
Yeah.
There's the wind.
Yeah, it looks like we got a headwind going both
Yeah.
ways.
Whatever. We got a good tailwind for a minute.
We still can hope for the riverbed.
Yeah.